So this is our wall of fame. Everybody that you see here was or was at one time clients of our company, Nutrition Solutions. And, this means a lot, right? This signifies the evolution of the company. We got some marquee names on here, guys like Roman Reigns, Rob Gronkowski,
Touchdown, Gronkowski.
Stipe Miocic. He was a client of ours when he won the UFC heavyweight title. Ton of guys from WWE, Ryan Terry, two-time Mr. Olympia. I mean, I could go on. And this kind of gives people an idea of the clientele that we serve, a portion of the clientele. Anyway, Triple H, a lot of you guys know who he is. Although we have a lot of athletes, a lot of celebrities, a lot of influential online figures, the truth is the majority of our clients are everyday people just like you. People who are busy but want to be in amazing shape and don't necessarily have the time to allocate towards meal prep. And they wisely basically delegate the responsibility of their nutrition to us and effectively automate their gains. So just know you all are in very good company.